Writing real estate listings that actually sell can eat up hours, but what if ChatGPT could do it for you? In seconds. Today, I'm showing you how real estate agents are using AI to create polished, engaging listings fast. Whether you're managing multiple properties or working solo, writing the perfect listing takes serious time and creativity. But with the right ChatGPT prompts, you can turn a basic set of property features into a powerful listing that attracts more clicks and buyers. Section 2. Prompt Demo. Let's say I've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch-style home in Austin with a modern kitchen, large backyard, and great school district. Here's how I'd prompt ChatGPT. Write a professional real estate listing for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home in Austin, Texas. Include a modern kitchen, spacious backyard, and mention it's in a top-rated school district. Tone: friendly and persuasive. And in seconds, here's what it gives us. Cut to screen share. AI generates polished listing copy. Section 3. Polishing the copy. You can tweak the tone too, make it more luxury, more casual, or even more SEO friendly. Just say, rewrite this in a luxury tone, or make this more appealing for first-time buyers. Section 4. Bonus use cases. But listings aren't the only thing. ChatGPT can also help you. Write follow-up emails to buyers, draft social media captions for new listings, create neighborhood summaries, generate open house scripts. So if you're still writing every listing from scratch, stop. ChatGPT is your new copywriting assistant, and it's completely free to start. Work smarter, not harder. Call to action. Let me know in the comments what city or property type you sell in. I'll reply with a custom ChatGPT prompt for your next listing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI tools tailored to your profession.